Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about the performance of President Prabowo Subianto during his first years. In my opinion, President Prabowo Subianto has shown good performance during his first years in country. He has demonstrated strong leadership and a clear commitment to improving Indonesian economy. Many people have seen positive results, such an increase in investment and job opportunities across the country. In addition, his attention to the health sector, including efforts to improve hospital facility and public health service, shows that he truly cares about well of the people. The President Prabowo Subianto has also strengthened Indonesian position in international relations through active diplomacy and cooperation with other countries. Overall, his first years as a president reflects dedication, firmness, and a strong vision to build a better and more independent Indonesia. I hope in the next year, Prabowo will always support our country. That's all my opinion about President Prabowo Subianto. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellas, my name is Muhammad Ridwan. My name is 64250237. My faculty is from FEB. My prodi is management. Here I want to presenting about present continuous presented by Ridwan, which is I am. Okay, here's present continuous. Present continuous tense is a tense used to experience action that are being thought or are currently happening. Present continuous is for progress at the moment at speaking. Talks about general truth or habitual action. Present continuous have a formula or pattern, which is the pattern is subject plus to be plus verb ing plus object. That's positive tenses. Nah, there is negative tenses. There is subject to be plus not plus verb ing plus object. Nah, subject have several to be, which is I, to be is am I. You, they, we, to be are. He, she, it, to be is. Okay, next. Nah, here I wanna presenting about present continuous have several functions too. First, to express an action that is currently happening. Second, to describe several actions that are temporary. Third, general or habitual action. Present continuous as declarative sentence or positive sentence. For example, I am listening a music rap. She is playing cards with her friend. They are making tree house. Above is example of positive sentence of the present continuous. There is subject, to be, verb ing, and object. Nah, let's practice. Present continuous as positive sentence. Choose the right sentence below. She is playing card with her friend. She is plays card with her friend. She is played card with her friend. Which is sentence derived from the sentence above? Choose the right sentence below. She is playing card with her friend. She is plays card with her friend. She is played card with her friend. The right answer from sentence above is she is playing card with her friend. Explanation-nya, because this is present continuous, the pattern is subject, to be, verb ing, object. So the right answer is play, verb ing, or playing. Now, there is a present continuous as a negative sentence, disagreeing sentence. For example, I am not playing tennis. You are not calling your friend. She is not eating noodle. Above is example negative sentence of present continuous. The pattern is subject to be plus not plus verb ing and object. Let's practice present continuous as negative sentence. Choose the right sentence below. She is not eating noodle. She are not eating noodle. She is not eats noodle. Which sentence is the right from the sentence above? Choose the right sentence below. She is not eating noodle. She are not eating noodle. She is not eats noodle. The right answer from sentence above is she is not eating noodle. Ah, the explanation is the pattern present continuous is subject to be verb ing plus object for negative sentence. You must add not between to be and verb ing. So she is not eating noodle. That's for negative sentence. Okay. Now I wanna talk about present continuous as interrogative sentence. Different from positive sentence and negative sentence. Present continuous tense is put the first then subject. The pattern is to be, subject, verb ing, object. For example, is he playing a card? Are they going to camp? Am I sitting on the floor? Above is example of interrogative present continuous. There is to be, subject, verb ing, and object. Okay, now let's practice. Present continuous as an interrogative sentence. Choose the right sentence below. Are they going to come? Do they going to camp? Are they goes to camp? We sentence the right from sentence above. Choose the right sentence below. Are they going to come? Do they going to camp? Are they goes to camp? The right answer from sentence above is are they going to camp? Explanation. Because this is an interrogative sentence, so the pattern of present continuous is changed. You have to put to be first, like this. To be, subject, verb ing, and object. Present and the third is present continuous as general verb or habitual action. For example, I am always reading English book. She is always borrowing my money. They are always going to camp. Above is example of present continuous as general verb or habitual action. The pattern is subject, to be, always, verb plus ing, and object. Okay, now let's practice. Present continuous as a general verb or habitual action. Choose the right sentence below. She is always borrowing my money. She are always borrowing my money. She is always borrowed my money. We sentence the right from sentence above. And the answer is can there is chosen the right sentence below. She is always borrowing my money. She are always borrowing my money. She is always borrow my money. The right answer from sentence above is she is always borrowing my money. Now there is explanation. The present continuous as general thought or habitual action is using pattern subject, to be, always, verb and object. So present continuous is very easy, right? Because we are using it for activities that we are happening right now. The characteristic of the present continuous are in the progress, and it always use verb ing followed by to be. Here's my explanation about the present continuous tense. If you guys have any suggestion or a question, please give comments in the section below. I'm happy to keep improving that. Thank you so much.